Make cuts faster and more precise, get ultimate slip and grip, and keep your shears and razors sharp longer with Tressa's Cutting Edge Cutting Lotion. Because of Cutting Edge's unique blend of ingredients that give you slip and grip while you're cutting, you'll be faster and more precise with each cut, and that's something water just can't provide. It's a great detangler too, so you won't have to fight that unruly hair before you start cutting. It also contains thermal protecting ingredients, so you can use heat styling tools with no fear of additional heat damage. If you're cutting hair and just using water, you're missing out on a mini therapeutic treatment opportunity you could be giving every client. Every time you make a cut, the ends of that newly cut hair are vulnerable to the environment and additional damage. By spraying Cutting Edge before and during the cut, those raw ends are being protected and reinforced. Keratin and silk proteins are drawn up inside the hair shaft, conditioning and making repairs to the outer cortex. Keratin amino acids strengthen the cortex, while surface repair technology is sealing the cuticle and those newly cut ends. Here's yet another perk to using Cutting Edge Cutting Lotion. It's virtually an insurance policy for those expensive shears you saved up for. Because the blades are gliding through each cut and being protected from overuse, your shears will last longer with less sharpening. Take the challenge and try Cutting Edge Cutting Lotion today.